Alrighty. We got them all in there. Nothing left. He's searching over here in the other free pile. Find anything? Ruler?
Square tank, oval tank.
Oh,
Ford
okay.
gauges. Cut prices on standard tires and accessories. I don't know, I'll take it.
Yeah, why not, right?
Yep, why not? Anything good?
Is that metal? No, that's not metal, is it?
It's the middle. Closet. Like some Ventiques.
Printer? No? No printer?
We got here. Cookie truck. $4.
Wow.
I don't think I want that either.
Oh, no, that's all. No.
Alright, let's go see if we find some more.
Found some more stuff. Next freestyle. Oh, what's that?
Pull finger.
Good stuff.
Slim pull finger, I think.
Alright. Gonna go for this ironing board here.
Think the sweeper has enough metal?
Probably not. You know how these iron boards work?
Yeah. There's a Bill Elliott. Yeah, we don't. I think that's
Worth anything on
Worth
eBay?
anything?
No, I guarantee that's not worth anything.
not, but I'm gonna take it. I'll donate it. Yeah, hold on.
9 seconds.
You have to pull on that lever there.
Which way? Oh, okay.
I mean, push on the lever. What I mean, we don't want that.
Oh, okay. Oh no.
Got it?
Yep, got it. Run the old Ranger today. About got a full load with exercise machines. I don't think they'll fly out. Find anything else?
Candle.
Alright.
Or when Joe Biden turns your power off.
Oh, might need that then.
Maybe. Miscellaneous toys.
Want a tree? Got a tree.
Let that vacuum. I don't know. I don't want to vacuum around if it's not. I want the cord, but I don't want to take the cord off if somebody wants it.
Yeah. Ooh, what's this?
There's a Bill Elliott mug. Look at that. I can lot them up.
Boom. Cha-ching. We're not just scrapping. We're eBay shopping. Glass.
What's that? Big tin?
Yeah.
Juice.
Flag maybe. Pink. No. Looks like maybe tablecloth. I don't know. It's 25 cents, but it's free.
2020. I don't know what that cord is. Some sort of hose or something.
I don't know. Nothing in there. Yeah. We're already basically sweep this place clean with the cord. Forgot to record it. That's alright.
What about the dog lamp?
I mean, we can snip the cord. Or you can try to sell it on eBay.
I'll take it for the cord.
Calculator, that's metal.
Some staples.
Yeah, that's metal.
Is it? I thought
Staples. Staples are metal.
staples are metal.
I I don't want to deal with him, though.
Still sexy at 40.
Wow, okay.
What is it, a Magic Whistling Compact?
Oh.
Oh, baby. What we got here?
What's this?
Metal. Oh, I see some metal.
There's my skin.
There's too much glass and then other metal. Okay.
Alright. Alright.
That it? Pretty sunset. I don't know. On the camera it just looks bright yellow, orange. In person it's pretty. So this little town had their festival this weekend, which is basically a whole bunch of garage sales and some street vendor stuff and a parade, you know, your generic stuff. So this is Sunday.
Garage sale leftovers, basically.
Yep, garage sale leftovers. We didn't drive everywhere in the town, but as you've seen, we found all the exercise machines that nobody wanted. They're already 2020'd out. They don't want to exercise anymore now, right? So just a short little video for you guys, I guess. So appreciate you watching, liking, subscribing.
You know.
Seeing that beautiful face, right? Woo-wee. Needed that whistling mirror. We should have grabbed it.
Yeah.
Alright, catch you later.